and girls, good morning. Your Big Bear challenge in phonics today is to look at the sound. And can you guess what we might be doing today? I'm wearing my cooking apron and we are going to make some vegetarian healthy burgers. Are you ready, boys and girls? Go wash those hands, make sure they're nice and clean.
High reception, so we're going to do our cooking and we must never forget to wash our hands. Are you ready? Do you remember? We're going to get the soap, get the soap, get the soap, get the soap. Rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands. Rinse it off, rinse it off, rinse it off, rinse it off. And then we can dry our hands. And when they're nice and dry, you'll be all ready for our cooking class. Well done.
I love burgers and my favourite are Belotti bean burgers. But you don't have to use Belotti beans. You could use any beans. You might like black beans, you might like teeny tiny beans. It's up to you. I also love carrots. So Miss Hannah is going to be making a carrot and Belotti bean burger with some help from Miss Amanda and Miss Sophie. I've left a few ideas here for you too. You might like to add your own vegetables, broccoli or yellow peppers. And Miss Hannah loves potatoes, like our sweet potato story. So you might like an ordinary potato, or my favourite, a sweet potato. And mushrooms, well, they're just as evil as Mr. P, but they taste delicious. So you might like to add them too. We're going to make ours really spicy because we like some chili power. So if you want to make your spices, you can. You can also add other spices like salt and pepper. Check with your mummies and daddies and see what you're going to do. We're going to bind ours together with some flour because we don't have egg today, but you can use it if you want to. But first, I'm going to set a challenge by mashing our beans. So in a minute, you're going to see us doing a mashing race. Are you ready?
Yes.
On your marks, get set. You can do this with your mummies and daddies at home too. Go! You really have to use your super strength in your hands to mash all those beans up.
Wow.
I'm losing. This is really tricky, messy work, but it's really important you get all those beans squished and mushed. You should end up with something like this. And then we're going to spice it up with Miss Sophie. Could you put, not too much because mine is slightly on fire, just a little bit of spice in there. Thanks, Miss Sophie.
There you go.
And super carrots we're going to add to our vegetables today. Thanks, Miss Amanda.
No problem. You go with the carrots.
And then we're going to give it a really big mix. I wonder if you can mix it at home too. When you've got it all mixed nicely and your hands are washed again, you're going to scoop out little balls and you're going to make mini burgers and get them ready just like that. So Miss Hannah's going to get another one. This bit can be really sticky, but believe you me, they taste so yummy. Miss Hannah's going to make mini burgers. Oh, it's so sticky. There we go. When you've got as many as you want to eat, one for me, one for Miss Amanda and one for Miss Sophie, you'll be ready to do the next bit.
You need to go find your frying pans and make them hot so that you can cook your yummy burgers ready to eat.
Miss Sophie, please be careful because that will be hot, hot, hot. Boys and girls, will you please do this part with your mummies and daddies and make sure they stay safe too?
Cooked and ready to eat. We've let ours cool down a little bit. You might like yours in a burger bun or with some salad. We're going to eat ours with our fingers. Yum! I think maybe I left out some ingredients. That's a little bit spicy.
Wow. Definitely, but a different kind of Miss Hannah. But if we look at the word burger, we have two sounds in it. Can you spot boys and girls, always follow the recipe, unlike Miss Hannah, or your burger could be more than in burger. Good luck, boys and girls.